Hello friends, welcome to my channel Soham Meditation. My name is Susil Khatka and I am your meditation and mindfulness coach. Breath is universal, without which there is no life. And how we breathe determines the quality of our life. When we look at breathing, of course, it happens every single moment, both in our conscious and unconscious state. But we are not even aware that we are breathing. And it's just not a simple biological process. Mindfulness or power of presence or being aware is when our body and mind meets at a certain point, and how these two are connected is through our breath. So when we breathe, we're aligning the rhythm of our inhalation and exhalation to form a connection between our mind and our body. As human beings, we breathe between 17,000 to 23,000 times in one day. That's about 15 breaths per minute in an average. But do we really pay attention to how we actually breathe? We live in a very fast-paced society and there are higher stress levels. Stress impacts our breathing, and thus our breathing impacts our health, our life, our performance, even our relationship, thus the quality of our life. So being aware of our breath and watching the breathing helps slow down how we breathe, which will help us to calm down. If we can bring our breathing from 15 times to 10 times or less in 1 minute, it's really good for our overall well-being, as it removes a lot of stress and tensions from our life. In the yoga system, it is believed that everyone is born with a certain number of breaths, and the quicker we breathe through it, the quicker we die, and the slower we breathe through it, we live longer. Like for an example, if you realize a tortoise breathes around 2 times in 1 minute, and they live more than 300 years. So it's really important to control our breath and lower the breath rate. It's really unhealthy to breathe more than 11 times in 1 minute. When we breathe slow and deep, we live a long, fulfilled, less stress and joyful life. But when we breathe short and shallow, our life is intense and short. When our breath gets imbalanced, our mind gets imbalanced. And when our mind gets imbalanced, our body responds and gets impacted and creates a lot of diseases. When our mind is in a stressful state, our breath gets disturbed. When we are angry, our breath goes fast. When we are sad, breath goes erratic. When we are in shock or in pain, our breath stops. And so when we are not aware of our breath, our whole body's anatomy and physiology gets disturbed and our hormonal balances change, creating a lot of health issues. Now, you may be thinking, am I breathing in a wrong way? Sometimes between the age of 5 to 10 years, our breathing pattern changes from a lower body breath to an upper body breath. And that happens as we go to school and sit all day, and this continues into our work life as we are mostly in an office work setup. We sit a lot, and sitting affects our posture, that affects our breathing. And so we sip in only small amounts of oxygen, short inhales and short exhales, and that's where the problem exists. So by simply learning to breathe consciously and slowly, we can positively make an impact to our overall health and the quality of our life. Today I'm going to show you the most effective but very easy breathing techniques that anyone can do to calm down the brain waves. What I'm sharing you today are the best yogic breathing techniques used by siddhas and monks to live a longer and a healthier life, as well as control the mind. And the best part is that these can be done by anyone, anytime, and anywhere without any limitations. inhalation, holding, exhalation, and holding. These 4 steps constitute of one breath. So, to be in a perfect state or a balanced state, we have to master all these 4 steps. This is the basic rule of pranayama. So, again, prana means life energy and yama means rules. So, pranayama means the rules and regulation of life energy. Here, you must not be confused that prana does not mean breath. But through breath, we connect with the life energy that is prana. So, if we control or manipulate the breath, breathing slow or fast, then accordingly, we can adjust and control the prana. We will need a very deep study to understand the true meaning of prana, which I will leave it for some other time. But today my main focus is to give you the basic understanding and basic but very effective techniques that can not only heal our mind, but also many diseases like stress and anxiety, digestive disorders, body pain, etc. that are caused due to improper breathing. So, please sit up straight, either on a chair like the way I am, or sitting in a cross-legged position. Close your eyes. Focus on the present moment. As to perform any pranayama or yoga or meditation, we need to be present at the moment, be mindful and aware. The first technique is alternative nostrils breathing, or Anulom Vilom Pranayama, or breath detox. Close your right nostrils with your thumb, like the way I am showing here. Inhale through your left nostrils till your lungs are full. Hold it for a moment. Then close your left nostrils and exhale through the right nostrils. Clear all the way out from your lungs. Then hold for a moment. Then inhale through your right nostrils and exhale through your left nostrils. Let me repeat. Do not rush. Be comfortable, calm, and do it slowly. Repeat this for 3 to 5 minutes every day in the beginning and gradually increase up to 15 minutes. This exercise is most effective to detox our body and remove all toxins through our breath. This is very helpful in hypertension, ear disorders, as well as other health issues like bronchitis, etc. So second exercise is humming, which is also called Bhramari Pranayama in Sanskrit, which means bee. So humming like a bee. During this pranayama, a humming sound is produced at the back of the throat, like a gentle humming of the bee. This is a very calming breathing exercise for relaxation that not only soothes our nervous system, but also connects to our true inner self. This is a great exercise to extend our breathing. I will show you the simple way to do it. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath as you inhale. And hum all the way out to exhale. And repeat for a few times as you feel comfortable. This is a very good exercise. When you inhale, you feel in your tummy and your chest, while humming, release the tummy all the way out. This exercise gives you an instant relief from hypertension, stress, anger, and anxiety, as it calms down the agitated mind. It also helps mitigate migraines and supports the healing of the bodily tissues. It also improves your concentration, memory, builds confidence, and also promotes better sleep. So friends, I hope these techniques will definitely help you to open the doors inside that connects your mind, body, and spirit. And breathing is the only key to that door. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.